What's up, Stush gang? Welcome back to another video with the Stush life. So today's video is going to be a get ready with me. I'm actually headed to brunch today. I wanted to film a get ready, so here we are. I'm going to be showing you guys my outfit, showing you guys what fragrance I'm wearing, and doing my makeup with you guys. So if you guys are interested, definitely stay tuned and keep on watching. Before starting this video off, be sure to leave your girl a thumbs up down below. Click the red subscribe button down below as well to become a part of the Stush gang, to become a Stush gal, and also follow me on my socials on Instagram at the Stush life. So as I mentioned, it's Sunday. We're headed to brunch. I'm gonna jump right into it because it is already 10:44 and I need to be ready by 12:30, by like 12:15 to be honest. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna do my brows really quickly off camera and then I'll pop back in, but I am gonna list everything that I use in today's video down below, so be sure to check the description box because that's where everything can be found. But let me do these brows so we can get this show on the road. Okay, for the most part, brows are done. When I say I cannot wait to take this hair out, y'all, I cannot wait to take this hair out. I'll probably take it out. I gotta figure it out. It's definitely coming out sometime this week. Be at the end of the week, the middle of the week, y'all will see in next Sunday's vlog. But I've already primed my face. I did my brows. I also put on my sunscreen. Make sure you're applying your sunscreen. But as I mentioned, we're headed to brunch today. And I have 3 outfits. Who am I? Y'all know usually I'm like, what the hell am I going to wear? I have 3 outfits and I need to figure out which one I want to put on. So I guess we could go through. Ooh, actually I'm not applying any foundation to my, or any product to my forehead. Only place that has makeup on my forehead right now, my brows. But yeah, who am I? I have 3 whole outfits. Like, so I guess we can run through each outfit. I'll also pop a picture up of the place that I'm going to for brunch. I don't think I mentioned this yet, but we're going on a date. Yes, we're going on a date. What? This is going on a date with? Who's you going on a date with? I have been dating. I'm kind of, I don't want to say I stopped dating because there was a point that I was like actively going on dates. I did stop for a little bit, but I've started to date again, like go on dates, meet people, things like that. So I am going on a date today. So I'll pop the picture up on the screen right here so you guys can kind of see the atmosphere of the place that I'm headed to today. So I do have 3 outfits as I mentioned. One is white and black, the other one is pink. So I guess we'll start with the pink fit. So you guys have seen this outfit before. I'll try to put up a picture or a video right here on the screen. So this one is a dress coming from Target. I featured this in a vlog at some point when I went to go check out that Future Collective collaboration at Target. I have this. I'm thinking I could wear it with some gold sandals because I'm doing sandals today. I'm not doing heels because I'm taking public transportation. Well, I'm taking the Metro North. Y'all know me, I love the Metro North. I'll take that over the regular train. So I'm taking the Metro North, so I want to wear sandals with that and maybe my white Kurt Geiger bag. So that's outfit number 1. I want you guys to vote for each outfit. The second outfit is a white Zara top. I actually bought this during the most recent Zara sale. The sale might actually still be going on, but it is this white top in addition to this black and white striped knit skirt. So with this I'm thinking gold sandals, black bag with gold hardware, and maybe like maybe either some colorful shades or just like my black sunglasses. And the last outfit is a white dress. This one is also from Zara. I got this dress on sale as well. I would love to wear a headscarf with this because I feel like it would be really cute, and my hair kind of doesn't really need to be seen. But this is the only outfit that I have where I would be able to wear a headscarf with, because I feel like the other ones are just a little bit too complex to add a headscarf to it. Or not complex, but just, it would just be doing, I'd just be doing too much to add a headscarf to it. So I do like this white dress for the simple fact that I can accessorize with a headscarf and kind of hide my hair. But I don't know which one I'm leaning towards. I want to be comfortable because Miss Mamas is here, and that's annoying. That's also why I'm kind of hesitant about wearing this white dress. I know it's not just me. I hate wearing white when I'm on my cycle, so I'm kind of trying to avoid wearing white, like a whole white dress, you know what I mean, just to avoid any accidents, God forbid. Today would be the day, so I don't know. But I've already applied my oh wow, that was really close. I've already applied my skin tint situation. Make sure you guys check out my summer makeup routine because I'm basically doing that. I'm tweaking it just a little bit, but I'm basically doing my summer makeup routine. Let me just spray my brush really quickly. I have fresh brushes too. We love that when the brushes are clean. I would like never want to use my brushes whenever I wash them because I just clean them, but like that's the whole point, right? So I'm just blending everything out, and I'm still not adding anything to my forehead. I want to keep that area bare. And before I started really doing like full face beat faces and stuff, I never used to put makeup on my forehead. I would just conceal. Like, this is back in like 2012, like taking it back bickety back. I'm not doing a full face, i.e. what I'm doing today, a quick, you know, quick little cover up, quick little 1-2. Then I'm not gonna put makeup on the forehead. It's not like really visible. You could see it on camera because of the lighting, but it's not really visible in person. If you know, you know. I have a dark spot right here, so I want to conceal it just a little bit with a little bit of the Hello Glow, and I'm just going to use my concealer brush to pat it in right there. I forgot to add my blush before blending everything out, but it's fine. I'm gonna do it now. A little bit of blush ain't never hurt. So what I'll do is I will literally pick out outfits, and then when my face is ready, when my hair is done and everything, I have to try everything on all over again, because how I might have felt one way about it prior to doing my makeup and my hair, but once everything is all complete, that's when you really know. Like, it might hit different once the makeup is done. So I have to try everything on all over again once, you know, I finish my face. But I feel like I might be leaning towards the white dress or the black and white, just because of the ambiance of the spot. Very neutral inside. I don't know if we're sitting inside or outside as yet, but I always look up a spot. I could be going with my friends, I could be going with my fam. I always look up the spot first to see like what the vibe is. Definitely to check out the menu for sure, and always to, you know, see how it looks inside, like, because that kind of determines what I want to wear, how I want to dress. Sometimes I don't really like surprises when it comes to restaurants, because they could be a hit or miss. If you know, you know. They could be a big hit or a big miss. And sometimes, like, how it looks inside does not determine the quality of the service or even the quality of the food, like if you'll have a great meal or not. But I just like to know what I might be getting myself into. I don't know which one I'm leaning towards yet. So yeah, I'm setting my brows. The face really takes no time whatsoever. I'm also headed out tomorrow, so I feel like, here's the good thing about this. So whatever outfit I don't wear today, I might wear tomorrow. Well, I mean, I have 3 options, but you know, tomorrow I have to think about an outfit because I picked out 3 today. I don't know who I am today, but the outfits just came to me. Usually I have to think about it like 4 days in advance, and then on the day that I actually have to go out, I'm still like, what the hell am I gonna wear? Worked out well for us today, so I'm happy about that. And whenever I pick out outfits, whether I wear them or not, I take pictures in them, because there will be times, plenty of times, and it really just depends on where you're going, but there will be times where I'm like, I don't know what to wear, and I'll just go in my phone and revisit pictures of outfits that I either have worn and I want to run it back, or I haven't worn. So the face is basically done. I'm gonna dust everything away. In a second, I'm adding a bit of bronzer to my eyes. What time is it? 11:07. I think we started at like 10:42, and I'm talking, so gotta input that and the time that it took to do our face. But I could do this literally in 15 minutes, if that. My Charlotte Tilbury powder is cracking right in here. I mean, I hit pan, but now it's starting to crack. This is where I get concerned, because I don't want it to just start breaking out and falling out. I need to use every last bit. 100% worth the coin. Like, I know sometimes we think of like $40 for a powder. Don't get me wrong, it's still very expensive, but you're definitely going to use it more than 40 times. Now I might go in with a little powder on my forehead just so it doesn't look too different. Oh my gosh, I don't know if we were recording. When did we stop recording? This is why I don't really like recording like sit down videos on my GX7. Hopefully we didn't get cut off for too long, guys. Hopefully. We almost forgot our highlighter. Oh, there's so many products that I'm just not using, and that's a problem. So I pulled out a different highlighter today. This is the Sephora Trio Face Palette Powder. And I'm just going to use, that is good. See? Sometimes you got to tap back into your old things. It's not always about the new things that's coming out. Your old things are still good. When I say I haven't really been buying any makeup, I'm proud of me, because usually the newest foundation, the newest this, newest this. I mean, I feel like a part of it was because I worked at Sephora. I wanted to keep up with the trends. But you begin to accumulate so many things, and like, I'm all here for spending your money on what you want, but like after a certain point, it's like, all right, do you really need 10 foundations at a time? No, you don't. 3 is good enough, and 3 might still sound like a lot to you. Let me go ahead and set. Oh, that was strong. Press everything in, everything in, everything in. I feel like I need to fix this brow. What's going on with her? I can never talk when applying mascara. I don't know what I'm leaning towards. I feel like I might be leaning towards the black and white, because I feel like of the three, the black and white outfit and the white outfit go best, like work best with the ambiance of the place. And I always kind of try to match the ambiance just a little bit. That's just me though, extra. Which outfit are you guys feeling? Definitely comment down below and let me know which one you guys would wear if you were going to this spot. Maybe I run the spot back and I could pick one of the other two outfits. But yeah, I feel like I'm leaning towards the white top with the black and white skirt. But makeup is done for the most part. I always apply my lippy right before I leave, after I put on my outfit. So let me put on my outfit, let me do my edges and check back in.
Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? 'Cause I got a brand new bag, oh yeah. I just touched down in Miami, babe. Make it rain on your stage any given Sunday. At the club, make it rain on your stage any given Sunday. Shit's president, you got you stimulated. Till you want more than famous. Don't need that in front of all your bitches in the lobby. I let you come back to the room, smoke is mine, for sure desire. Make it presidential, like it's my house, like it's my crib. No skills, we're talking about practice. No flame, I'm blowing out matches. Mustang, you come with no handles. She in love, I wonder what happened. Are you working, baby? Are you working tonight? 'Cause I got a brand new bag, oh yeah. I just touched down in Miami, babe. Make it rain on your stage any given Sunday.
Back this week, I'm tweaking. Got a bag for a walkthrough last weekend. Now shouldn't be here, but I'm deep in now. T-Pain song got me thinking. Just be careful, singing my song and get that in my eyes like that. Too early to be catching a vibe like that. These suburban trucks we arrive like that. You ain't seen this much in the sky like that. Might blow one blast.
All right, who is she? She went with lashes. Who is she? I know I have not been wearing lashes. Still selling them. Trying to clear out the site. They're all $8. This is the style Confident that I'm wearing right now. So I'm gonna do my lip combo with y'all. Use my Rare Beauty lip pencil in the color Strong. The last time I opened it, she wasn't looking that strong. She was falling apart, but yeah. Then I'm using a limited edition MAC lip gloss. This is from the Mariah Carey collection, Long Time. This is in the shade, this is called Bit of Bubbly. This is old, but she's so good. She's so good, such a good nude. And last but certainly not least, my Patrick Ta, she's expensive, lip gloss. Icing on the cake. All right, let's go ahead and pack my bag. Hopefully everything fits inside. Touchland sanitizer. For a wallet. This better fit, child. This one take up a lot of space. Zip combo. My pressed powder, mini Charlotte Tilbury. My AirPods. And my scent of the day. Will it close? Will it close? Will it close? It does close. So this is our bag for the day, and that brings us into fragrance of the day. This is my fragrance combo today. As y'all can see, the gold is really coming through today. I'm using my Tom Ford Soleil Blanc oil. I'm gonna layer it with my Mugler Alien Goddess fragrance. This is finicky sometimes, so I'm just gonna try to pump it. Oh, it works today. Lather it all over the chest, the décolleté. Then going in with our perfume. Do a wrap around by the ankles too. Not that, you know, but by the ankles too. So this is the finished look, you guys. I went ahead and put on my Christian Dior shades. I'm just keeping it monochromatic, black, white, gold. So this is the finished look. The chest is glistening. We smell good, we look good, we feel good, and we're ready to eat. We're ready for brunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and include a video of my entire outfit from head to toe. I don't know if I'll be able to get one in the restaurant, but I will make it my effort to get a video somehow so you guys can see my full outfit. So I hope you guys really enjoyed today's get ready with me. I also hope you guys are feeling today's outfit. Let me know if I made the right choice. If you enjoyed today's video, before you head out, make sure you leave your girl a thumbs up down below. Be sure to also subscribe down below as well. Click the red subscribe button to become a part of the Stush gang, and also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at @StushLive. Love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys had an amazing Monday. It is Monday. We uploading on a Monday. Hope you guys had an amazing Monday, and until the next time, I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.